Very good morning, students. In senior citizen or Rickley or Jones test, next comes sit and reach test. Sit and reach test, it is mainly to examine the hip joint flexibility. This is the main purpose, to note down the flexibility of hip joint. What equipments you required: ruler or a scale or a chair with straight back like this, placed against the wall. For safety purpose, when you bend forward, chair should not fall down or slip back, so it should be against the wall. Then chair height should be approximately 44 centimeter. Now procedure of doing: you sit down with one leg flat on the ground and other leg you sit on front edge of the chair and other leg straight. Now your back also straight. You are sitting with straight position. When it is asked to bend forward, then both hands are straight and tip of fingers joined together. Bend forward by keeping your back straight. And how much distance you are bending forward from hip joint? If it is touches your toes, score is 0. If it is less than reaching to the toe, how much it is less, you measure on the measuring scale. One scale can be placed here, and minus score how many inches you are not able to reach behind the toe, that distance is measured. If you are able to go in line with the toes, it's okay, and when you go ahead, that also should be recorded. Now that is plus extra points when you are reaching forward. Now after noting down this score, measuring the flexibility or hip joint, place it in the table. In case of men, if you are not able to touch the toe, you are 2.5 to 4 inches behind. Now this lady also, she is not able to touch the toe. She is approximately 2.5 to 4 inches behind. Now in case of men, that is flexibility is okay, it is average. If you are going above 4, that is further 4 inches, then that is above average. Then if minus 2.5, minus up to 2.5 is okay. If it is more than 2.5 minus, then it is a below average. Remember that. Again I tell you, score minus 2.5. See, this distance is minus 2.5 to further up to 4 inches. If your arms are coming up to here, this is average score. If it is you are going more than 4 inches ahead, that is your extraordinary, that is above average. If it is less than 2.5, you are able to reach up to here only, then it is a below average. So this is in case of men. And in case of women, sorry, in women it is 0.5 inches only. You are just half inch behind your toe to 5 inches ahead. In case of men, it is 2.5 to 4, but here 0.5 means half inch to 5 inches up to here. That comes under normal flexibility. Now by this comparison also you can judge that women have more flexibility than men, because 2.5 inches less you are coming under average in case of men, but in case of women you have to come closer to the toe, just half inch behind, to 5 inches ahead you are coming under average, and more than 5 it is there for women, that is above average. This is the test to test the flexibility of hip joint. See, flexibility is very much necessary in old age, because old age diseases and all problem, that shivering of arms, lack of coordination between mind, body and limbs, that all most of the things will develop if your body is flexible. There are less chances of lack of coordination between mind and body. This is the over regarding testing the hip flexibility. This test also you can conduct for your grandmother and grandfather. Those who are above 60 years of age in your family, you must practically perform this so you can have more learning about the lesson. It is all of practical nature. So let me know during our talk on Microsoft Team. That time you will come to know that how many of you have conducted. Question will be there. How many of you have conducted test for your family members? The result should be there, and everybody should do practically. And tell them if it is a less flexibility, there will be uneasy life of your old age. So better develop the flexibility regularly. Do it. Safety must be taken. That chair should be placed against the wall. Wall should be there behind that. So when you bend down, chair should not slip backward. Like this, by taking full care, you can conduct the test. Thank you. Have a good and very healthy day.